Do you often get reviews and feedbacks like this? Well, it turns out today's customers like things on the go. They want to be listened to, they want to feel cared for, they want to feel in control, they want instant solutions, and whoa, the list just keeps going. That's why we created GaragePlug. Imagine the level of customer experience achieved if you could fully harness the power of digitalization. That's right, GaragePlug does exactly that, starting right from when a customer makes a service booking till they get back their vehicles. GaragePlug makes all the customer touchpoints digital and makes them more transparent, thus redesigning customers' interaction with your business with newer best practices. From digital job card creation to even integrated marketing for new-gen customer, it takes care of it all. GaragePlug's experience is not just limited to your customers, but extends even to you. From managing an entire business with just your smartphone to even comprehensive reporting, it does it all with a single touch. Yes, a single touch, just like this. GaragePlug has got you covered. So what's stopping you from making your customers happier? Come join us in the automotive revolution. GaragePlug.